Hey everybody! So the first thing I'm going to be doing for this look is priming my eyelid with e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I am making sure I prime all over my lid really well, and as well as my lower lash line. Now I'm taking MAC Black Track, and this is what I'm going to be using to create that base shape. So what I'm doing here is applying it to my lid, and then I'm going to take a different brush because I wasn't liking that one, and I'm going to smooth out the shape around my lid, creating that nice oval-y kind of shape. Now I'm going in with an angled liner brush, and I'm going to create my outer cat eye by starting from the lower lash line and then taking it towards the top of my lid and then just filling it in and creating my tail. Now I'm going to take that same smudger brush and smudge just a little bit of that same black track on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking Sally Girl eyeshadow in Starry Night, and I'm going to be applying that to my lid using whatever eyeshadow brush you want. Now I took Mineral Maven's Peach Vanish and I just cleaned up that line a little bit using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going in with Mineral Maven's Stella, and I'm going to be applying that to my outer lower lash line using a pencil brush, blending inward towards the middle lash line. Now I'm taking Rockabetty Beauty's Maneater. This color is discontinued. I'm applying that to my inner corner area, blending inward towards the middle lash line. Now I'm taking Rockabetty Beauty's Madness, which is also discontinued. This is a nice red color, which I'm going to be applying to my middle lower lash line, blending towards both pinks. Now I'm taking Alexander Mineral Makeup's Dewdrop Petals, and I'm going to be applying that just under those colors to help blend them out just a little bit. I'm taking a fluffy brush and blending them out. Now I'm using Essence Long Lasting Liner in Black Fever, and I'm going to be lining my lower and upper waterline as well as pushing the liner into my lashes. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and add eyelashes. I'm using Model 21 eyelashes in number 44T. Now I'm adding my mascara. I'm using Maybelline Lash Stiletto. And I'm going to be adding some mascara to my lower lash line as well, my lower eyelashes. Now what I'm doing here is I want my lashes to look like my lashes up top, so I'm taking my brush and running it that way to make them stick together, to make them a little more on the spiky side. And we are done. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked my tutorial. Bye!